Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Cayenne versus Range Rover Sport. We will dive into their performance, luxurious interiors, and off-road capabilities. You'll learn about their diverse engine options, practical cargo space, and advanced technology. We'll also cover their starting prices and reliability ratings to help you decide which premium SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance, the Porsche Cayenne emphasizes a sporty, precise driving experience. Its base 3.0-liter V6 engine produces 348 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. The Range Rover Sport, however, balances power with refined comfort. Its entry-level 3.0-liter inline-six offers 355 horsepower, reaching 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. Both SUVs also boast impressive V8 and hybrid powertrains. Inside, both vehicles offer a luxurious experience, but with different philosophies. The Porsche Cayenne provides a driver-focused cockpit with high-end finishes. It offers up to 60.3 cubic feet of cargo space in SUV models when the rear seats are folded. The Range Rover Sport focuses on opulent comfort and a minimalist design. It boasts an impressive 83.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo volume. Both SUVs integrate large touchscreens, advanced infotainment, and premium sound systems for an elevated journey. Considering value, the Porsche Cayenne starts at approximately $88,800 and generally receives strong reliability ratings from owners. The Range Rover Sport has a starting price of about $81,550, though its reliability scores are often considered average. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize Porsche's sporty precision or Range Rover's blend of luxury and off-road capability. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.